Let's solve a word problem using a system of equations. If you add two numbers, you get 188. If you subtract the numbers, you get 34. What are these two numbers? Let's solve this step by step. First, let's translate the word problem into mathematical equations. Let's call our two unknown numbers x and y. For the first condition, adding the numbers gives us x plus y equals 188. For the second condition, subtracting the numbers gives us x minus y equals 34. One way to solve this system is by using the addition method. If we add these equations together, something interesting happens. The y terms cancel out, leaving us with 2x equals 222. Now we can solve for x by dividing both sides by 2. This gives us x equals 111. Now that we know x, we can substitute it back into either of our original equations to find y. Let's use the first equation. 111 plus y equals 188. Subtracting 111 from both sides gives us y equals 77. Let's verify our solution. First, do these numbers add up to 188? 111 plus 77 equals 188. Second, when we subtract 77 from 111, do we get 34? 111 minus 77 equals 34. Let's visualize this solution on a number line to better understand the relationship between these numbers. Here's 77 and 111 on the number line. The difference between them is 34, and their sum is 188. Therefore, the two numbers we were looking for are 111 and 77.